Alright, check this out. We are in a parking garage, and it has swing door elevators. I've never seen this before. This is just weird. This is so weird. Oh, that's a rough start. Whew, this sounds nice. Wow. We'll watch that window. There it goes. Now let's get the other one. Let's see. Hopefully it comes. Is it coming? What's the deal here? Very. This whole garage. I'll check out that old, door. What's even in there? This whole garage is really shitty. Here it is. Oh, what the hell? Otis. That's weird. It's got an Otis logo on the sill. Okay, that's really weird. Oh, this one we can't go to be weird. Look at this. Sorry, what? Alright. Okay, you can close now. Look at this ceiling, really sketchy.
Going down.
Okay, are we gonna make a whole fucking process out of this? Come on. Come on. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna hold door closed, see if that does anything.
Going down.
Oh, guess not. What the fuck is this doing? Come on. What are you doing? Are you drunk? What is this? Oh, fucking shit. Are we gonna be here all day? Come on. Come on. All right, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Please stand clear of
There we go. Finally.
Going down.
Oh, fucking shit. Real? Are you Come on. Okay, you know what? Okay, I don't even know what to do anymore. Alright. What the fuck is wrong with this thing? Watch, it's gonna open. What the fuck? Now it goes to. Okay, I don't. Now it goes down, of course. What's in there? Okay, that's retarded. That's stupid. Okay, that was just bullshittery. That's not okay. That's a big no. Oh, here you go. I swear to God, if this one does the same thing. Oh, there's the door. All right. Please don't be a little stinker. There we go, finally. Good God. Good Lord, it turned a simple like video that should have been 2 minutes at most into something that's like a 5-minute goddamn production. Good God. Okay.
First floor.
What the hell? Oh, great. There's that elevator. Alright. Well, that's it.